Hey guys, thanks for checking out Smoky Mountain Eco. It is a Friday afternoon here and I think I'm gonna go check out the property. It's been an interesting 2 weeks. I am trying to prepare a whole ton of information for the bank, for breaking ground, for renting heavy equipment. I'll give you a quick tour of what we've got going on here so you can see the different projects I'm working on the computer. A topo with all the dirt work, cut and fill, and engineering on the right. A look at maybe what the lodge is going to look like. This is Google Earth, a site plan on Google Earth. So I guess I should tell you what today's episode's about. It is 5:10 in the afternoon. Sunset here in the Smokies is 6:11. So what I decided this evening was I'm going to try to catch sunset and then try to get out of here before dark. It's only about a 15 or 20 minute walk from the top back down to the Jeep, so I should be okay. But I didn't bring a flashlight either. So stay tuned and let's see what the drone shots look like from up there at sunset. Maybe we'll catch something pretty. Tucker makes every hike better. So I decided to take a different route today. I'm coming up through one of the hollers and I'm gonna take a left here, head up steep, and then I'll be on the roadbed that you've seen back a few episodes ago. Can you hear me breathing? Because I'm breathing hard. And this is steep and thick. But sometimes it's easier just to take a shortcut. To give you a perspective, I'm pointing the camera straight ahead, but this is where I need to go. It's probably the steepest holler on the whole property. As I was coming up that spot, it occurred to me something I've thought about many times in the process of this. Nothing great comes super easy. And if it does come super easy, then we need to watch out and not get too self-confident. That was a tough stretch. So it's decision-making time. Do we go all the way to the top and lift off from the very top, or do we walk up the ridge this way and go to the top of this ridge where the lodge is gonna sit? Turkeys. Tucker jumped turkeys. Did you see turkeys? Did you see turkeys, Tucker? Go get those turkeys. Where are they? Good boy. That was fantastic. I've seen sign on the property in multiple places, but hadn't seen turkeys yet. So April's gonna be here soon. And April means turkeys, strutting and gobbling. So the decision, do we go to the top, up this way to the right, all the way up, probably another quarter mile, or do we walk up this little lane right here behind me and take a left, come up the ridge this way to where the lodge is going to be? You might have seen a little glimpse of the lodge in some of those photos when I was first introducing the episode. Yes, I'm frowning and I don't know why, because today is a great day. The mountains are looking pretty hazy, but we're going to give this a shot anyway. Could the sun be any more perfect than it is right now? As I enjoy this sunset, and I hope you are too, I think about a lot of things. And I think back to where we started with this project and how much it takes to achieve real success. Think about first time walking this property and being in awe and knowing that it was out of reach, or at least I thought so. And as I watched this sunset, I realized that whatever we put our heads to, we can do. Whatever we decide to set as a goal to achieve, we can do. Really personal story. About 4 months ago, we'd been working on this property for a year and a half or so, and we're hitting roadblock after roadblock, and left for work one morning and completely fell apart. It was the mid-career meltdown that some of you probably have had, and it was a doozy. Couldn't even see the road. I was emotionally spent. Had a number of things on my mind, and yet didn't realize how much was bothering me. And realized I am in a place I don't want to be the rest of my life. And in that moment, I was even more sure that if this property worked out, I would do everything I could to make it a success. And I'd glorify God in the process. This creation is fantastic. And we are blessed to be a part of it. God is good all the time, but He has been especially good the last year or so. My family puts up with my daydreaming and being distracted, being hyperactive, and they see how much joy it brings me, and they realize how much joy it's going to bring the people around us. Hopefully I'll continue to improve as a man and a father and husband and friend, and I am ecstatic to be making new friends. Oh, I'd better pack up for now and head back down the mountain. What a sunset. I hope you enjoyed the walk. Until next time, take care of yourselves and the people around you.